Yeah, from the feedback that I get from the delegates so far, especially those we have interviewed from all the 4 Nordic countries that are present, I can proudly say that it has been very positive. And we are glad, although we've been missing part of the government in full participation, but we have had them as observers, and we have had Danish industry and other organizations that came around and participated with the workshops. And the feedback from the delegates is very positive, like I said, and we are very grateful that the Nordic countries are about to do something, and what we expect now is not what we should do, but what we are going to start doing. And I am looking forward for this platform to be launched or demonstrated tomorrow. So this regional diaspora platform training has been a great success, and the dialogue today has crowned everything. In one word, I will think that it has been very positive and successful.